Here's a step-by-step tutorial to troubleshoot and resolve high resource usage, CPU memory, on database or application servers, which can slow down critical business applications. Step-by-step guide. Fixing high CPU or memory usage on servers. Step 1. Identify the symptoms apps running slowly, timeouts, or crashing. Unresponsive UI or API calls. High CPU memory alerts from monitoring tools, for example, Zabbix, Nagios, Prometheus. Windows, Linux Task Manager or top/htop/perf showing usage spikes. Step 2. Check running processes. Windows Server, open Task Manager, sort by CPU and memory, or use get process vertical bar, sort object CPU, descending Linux server, use top htop hash if installed psaux, sort %% CPU vertical bar head in 10. Look for database processes, for example, mysqld, PostgreSQL app runtimes, for example, Java, Net, Node, Python. Step 3. Isolate the culprit application or query. For database servers, MySQL, MariaDB, show full process list, PostgreSQL, select asterisk from pg_stat_activity, sqlservr, select asterisk from sys.dm_exec_requests, where status =, running. Look for long-running queries, locked tables, missing indexes for app servers. Check application logs, for example, /var/log/app/event viewer, Tomcat logs, etc. Use APM tools like New Relic, App Dynamics, or Azure Application Insights. Step 4. Restart or scale the application, if urgent. If performance is critically impacted, restart the affected service. System-cal restart your -app.service or scale up. If using containers, cloud, add more containers, pods, Kubernetes, scale VMs, or move to a higher tier. Warning, only restart if the root cause is unclear but the downtime is unacceptable. Step 5. Optimize code or queries. Database. Add indexes to frequently queried columns. Optimize joins, subqueries, or batch operations. Enable slow query logs and analyze application. Fix memory leaks, especially in Java, Node.js. Tune garbage collection, GC if applicable. Optimize data handling and loop logic. Step 6. Tune server and database configuration. Increase buffer pool size or cache limits. MySQL. inodb_buffer_pool_size PostgreSQL. Shared _buffers work_mem Java. Increase heap memory, for example, XMS2G, XMX4G. Adjust connection limits if you're hitting max active connections. Step 7. Update software and OS patch the application, database engine, and server OS. Apply the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. Use updated drivers, for example, JDBC ODBC connectors. Step 8. Enable performance monitoring and alerting use tools like Linux, IOStat, VMstat, Nmon Windows, Performance Monitor, perfmon. External tools, Datadog, Grafana, plus Prometheus, Elastic Stack. Set alerts for CPU, 80% memory usage, 90% load average, exceeding available cores. Step 9. Clean up unused services or background jobs. Disable unneeded services using systemstl or services.msc kill zombie processes. Review cron jobs or scheduled tasks for inefficiencies. Step 10. Stress test after fixing use testing tools to simulate load. Apache JMeter Locust.io artillery monitor CPU and memory during load to validate improvements. Summary of best practices. Action tool, command. Identify top processes. Top, htop, task manager. Check DB queries. Show process list, pg_stat. Tune config, DB configs, JVM heap, etc. Add monitoring with Zabbix, Prometheus, and perfman restart scale if needed. Systemctl, cloud auto scaling. Let me know if you want a version specifically for Windows Server, Linux Server, or cloud-based instances, for example, AWS, Azure, GCP.